right, as you can see, I got the body lifted back off the chassis. Of course, my camera batteries went dead right in the middle of lifting this up, so I don't know how much of that I really got on the camera, so I had to finish it up with my iPhone. But the big problem I was running into is the lip on the edge of the chassis. It gets hung right on the edge of the lift, so I have to put the lift pads really far out, which is kind of scary in itself. So I had to crank down the locks and make sure I get a good bite on the body before I do that and get it to clear. And then what I'll do is when I get the chassis out from underneath it, I'll lower the body back down on the jack stands and reposition the lift so it's a little bit better, and then I'll have to reverse the whole thing when I get ready to put the body back on the chassis. But for now, it's sitting on the locks on the max jacks, is cranked down on the locks on the arms, and I don't think it'll go anywhere tonight. But again, tomorrow I'll have to drop it back down and reposition it. I'll have to roll the chassis out from underneath it. But there it is, back up in the air, ready for me to put floor pans in. So, hey, thanks for stopping by Double G's Garage today. Not a lot of talk today, just a lot of work today. So hopefully you enjoyed watching the process as I got the body back off the chassis and getting it ready to put the pans in. But again, if you like what you saw, hey, share this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We really could use that. And thanks for coming by. See you next time.